In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon in text Notion. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to add icons directly inside your text in Notion, using the latest home screen interface. By the end of this video, you'll be able to sprinkle icons throughout your notes, headings, and to-do lists to make everything clearer and more visual. First, start from your Notion home screen. This is the main dashboard you see when you open Notion, with your recent pages in the middle and your workspace navigation in the sidebar on the left. From here, you need to open the page where you want to add icons. You can either click one of the pages listed under Recent or choose a page from the sidebar. Just click once, and that page will open in the main workspace. Next, you'll want to place your cursor where the icon should appear. If you already have text on the page, click directly into that text block at the exact spot where you want the icon to go. If you're starting fresh, press Enter to create a new empty line, and then click into that line so your cursor is ready. Now it's time to trigger the icon menu. Notion uses a simple keyboard shortcut for this. Type a colon with no spaces after it, and then immediately start typing the name of the icon you're looking for. For example, you might type colon followed by star to find a star icon. As soon as you start typing, Notion will open a small drop-down menu above your text, showing icons that match what you've entered. Once the drop-down appears, you can choose the exact icon you want. Use your arrow keys to move up and down through the list, or simply move your mouse and hover over the icon that looks right to you. Take a quick moment to check the style and color so it fits the context of your text. When you've highlighted the icon you want, insert it into your text. You can press Enter on your keyboard or click directly on the icon in the menu. Notion will drop it right where your cursor is, so you can continue typing before or after it as needed. That's all you need to do to add an icon inside your text in Notion. Open your page, place your cursor, type a colon and the icon name, pick from the drop-down, and insert.